Hey guys! Today I'm going to do a speed declutter, like a decluttering sweep of my house. I'm going to take a few rooms and set a time limit per room and go through the room and find as many things as I can to declutter. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of tips to help simplify life for busy mums, and I do a lot of decluttering and organization videos, and today is a decluttering video. Alright guys, so I'm in my kitchen. Ignore the dirty dishes piled up there. I know it's really bad. Today is Saturday, it's decluttering day. Tomorrow is Sunday, it's cleaning day. But I wanted to declutter and organize a bit before I clean. The 10 minutes on the timer, and let's go. So I've got quite a few jars up there already, and I've pulled down one that I don't think I need. There's like gherkin jars that I've saved to make, you know, salads in and things. I know somewhere here I've got some chipped glasses. So much stuff in here, it's not funny. This is birthday party stuff. Candles. This stuff, a lot of it's like stuff my husband uses. White vinegar, so much left in there. Okay, fridge. I just want to check some of these best before dates. Best before 2nd of the 4th 2018. That's gone. Got 2.5 minutes left. Where am I going to go? Where am I going to go? This drawer. I'll keep everything in there. Oh, this drawer is the bane of my existence. I never really know what to do with this drawer. This one, the straw doesn't really stay in the cup. This drawer too is a bit of a pain. It's a garlic crusher. I buy minced garlic. I don't crush my own garlic, so that can go. So there's a lot in here, but I use all of it pretty much. So that was the kitchen. I'm pretty disappointed about this because, well, that's not food, that's aloe vera gel that's been in there for about the last 4 or 5 years, not getting used. It's good for burns, but I haven't used it over the last 4 years. This stuff has expired, which is a bit of a waste. Particularly, I must have bought these in like one of those 2-for-1 deals at the supermarket. This is one of Bud's old lunch boxes. I just find, because it's a sort of a bento box style, these compartments are too small for the things that I pack for his lunches now, so I'm going to donate that. The straw doesn't fit properly in the thing anymore, it's a bit distorted. That can go on the recycling. That's a very, you can see that's really chipped along there, so that can go. Cute little ramekins I bought from TK Maxx, and I never ended up using them. That's like $6 for 4 of them. Don't know what I've done with the 4th one. And they are just too small. They're smaller than a standard ramekin. I'm going to donate those. Garlic crusher, that can go. That's rubbish from the birthday candles. And then these are just old birthday candles that I've just got too many birthday candles. It's not too bad for 10 minutes effort in the kitchen, given that, you know, I've decluttered the kitchen before. I think my husband must have used this for his kombucha, but there's only a tiny bit left. So I'm going to put that in the laundry because I put vinegar in my washing machine to use as like a fabric, like a natural kind of fabric softener. So this is the disaster that is currently my sideboard, and it just attracts so much clutter. There's even stuff in the cupboards that I should probably go through and have a quick look at. So I hope 10 minutes will be enough. Anyway, I'm going to hop to it. Take this child lock off and see what's in here. Torch. Gosh. I've got just under 4 minutes left, so I'm going to venture into the other cupboard. And this actually isn't too bad. That was a gift. And these are my lovely Italian wine glasses that I bought back from Florence when I did my Europe trip. Look at all this cutlery. 1 minute left. This is our little junk box. Gosh. 45 seconds. No junk mail sign. No canvases sign. Ah, more of these things. shoe shine thing. So this is all the stuff that's going into another room. That's toys, my son's sunglasses. These are baby safety things, so you use these to wind up the cords on your Venetian blinds. So I was looking for some more of those, so now I've got 5 more. Great. That's a game toy room. My pegs go back in the laundry, and then these are my lovely glasses that I brought back, my wine glasses that I think I've only ever used them once, and I'm going to take them out of the box. I'm actually going to use them. They're beautiful, and I brought these all the way back from Florence? Venice. I think it was Venice, from this place. Yeah, I think it was Venice. Random bowls, some candle holders that I'm never going to use again, tea light holders. This is a charging dock. It's quite a good one. I think I bought it from Howard's Storage World, and then my husband and I found it was too big and it got in the way, and it was annoying, like having all the charge things underneath, and sometimes you'd need to take them out if you wanted to take your charger when you went traveling or move it to another room or something, and it just, yeah, we just didn't end up using it. This hand wash I will keep, yeah, but that candle I won't. A knife sharpener. I've got another knife sharpener back there, something my husband got on the plane, probably from Qantas. I'm going to donate that to an organisation that gives toiletries to the homeless. Old Bluetooth headset that's never used anymore. Really old iPhone charger that's not used anymore. Old collar of Ernie's that I'm going to get rid of because it's all worn, and he's got a new one, so I'm going to take the tag off and then I'll get rid of the collar. Cutlery I think I'll donate because that's been in the cupboard for years and we haven't used it. Shoe shine thing I think is very old and it's probably gone in the rubbish. I've got heaps of random like little screws. There's some more in there. There's some more in here. And I don't know what these things are for. I'm going to ask my husband. If they're not for anything in particular, they're going to go out. Key ring that I don't use anymore. This one is really hard to get keys on and off, this thing. Old headphones I don't use anymore, and that must be some sort of adapter. Anyway, I don't know what that's for. And that is our old bathroom towel rail, which is broken, and so yeah, that's rubbish. More screws. Keep accumulating pens. I've left one in that little box just so there's a pen handy, but I'm going to donate these because every time my husband goes to a conference or something he gets pens and brings them all home. We don't need that many. I'm going to do my closet now, and I did declutter my closet back in January I think it was, and I got rid of quite a lot of stuff, but I think I could probably just have a little once over look and see if there's anything else. So 10 minutes for my closet. Okay, so, and I'm not going to do the KonMari thing and pull it all out because one, I've only got 10 minutes, and two, I did do that a few months ago, so this is just kind of like a minimalism sweep. And I can tell as well, like I've worn all of these things because all the hangers are facing that way. When I decluttered my closet in January, I turned everything around basically this way, and I was thinking if I haven't used it within 6 months to a year, I'll be able to tell because the hanger will be turned around. Other way once I've used it. So this top's really, really old. I haven't worn that, and I don't think I'm going to wear it. Trousers. Okay, all that. These are cute, but I didn't really wear them. I feel like I'm making more mess as I do this. I'm going to have to refold everything because I'm making such a mess because I'm in a rush. So I've got this really old and inside out black Calvin Klein cami. This is probably about 15 years old and it was my absolute favourite, but it's got holes in it. I know it has. See, look. How bad is that? And yeah, so I've got other singlets now, and it was just my favourite because it was so comfy, but that really has to go, and that's not even worth donating. That is going to go to H&M for recycling. This is a cardigan from Portman's. I don't like the shape of it on me. I'm probably not doing it justice though with my camera work, but yeah, so that can get donated. This t-shirt, you may have seen me wear it in some of my videos. I think I wore it in my very first video, but I just feel like the colour is not that flattering on me. So whenever I go in my closet, if I see this t-shirt, I always skip over it and try and find a different colour or different t-shirts. So there's no point having it in my closet anymore. Some really old work trousers. These are definitely over 10 years old. They're review trousers and they've done me really well, but they're probably a little bit out of date in terms of the shape of them, but also they're a bit worn. Yeah, I can tell, but I don't know if you can see on the camera, but on the back they're a little bit worn on the seat, so they can go. This little skirt, which is really cute, but I just feel self-conscious wearing it at work now. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm getting older or I'm a mum now, but I just feel like it's too short for the office, and it kind of sort of, not like a split, but it kind of, you know, like when you sit down, this kind of moves across a bit, and it's just, I don't know, I just feel like it's just not me. Lastly, there's this pink top. It's over 10 years old again. It's a bit stretched out of shape, so I'm going to donate that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe by clicking on my face below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.